Today, we want to introduce you to our Kaizen Management System powered by Smartsheet. Stay tuned to learn how to test it for free. Monitor Kaizen progress such as ideas in the pipeline, training status of the Kaizen teams, or your Kaizen event calendar with our interactive, user-friendly dashboard. It all starts with the idea submission. Employees can easily submit improvement ideas with images or videos directly from the shop floor. And the best part, offline mobile phones can be used too. Our integrated workflows automatically assign teams upon idea submission, ensuring prompt attention. All ideas will appear on an interactive Kanban board for easy tracking. Discover AI-powered efficiency on our Kanban board. Rapid solutions replace slow A3 and Ishikawa methods, propelling lean management into the future. Although various pre-existing suggestions offer insights into our potential actions, we're looking for something more customized. Let's now request 3 specific, tailored activities. Now we are choosing our reference. We'll explore the AI personalized proposals. These results are exactly what we need, showcasing how AI can effectively guide and support our teams. Boost your Kaizen efforts. Schedule a consultation and try our system for free.